Hello guys, yes, this is Oliva Susbilia, my channel. Today I want to do the challenge of TCG Pam, my good friend, my CC in Ohio, America. Ayan, now I want to show you this one. This is Big Cat, my favorite. Ayan, Big Cat, spicy and barbecue flavor. Ayan, kukunti lang laman. Super sauce multi. See? Ayan. Wait. Okay, later on. This one is Oishi potato fries, baked not fried. Bake only, baked not fried. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? This is my favorite also, piatos. Ayan, piatos. This is potato. This is cheese flavor. Ayan, super. Kaya nyo. And this is the Cheetos. Also, Cheetos is also cheese. See? Cheese. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami. Oh, gani. Kaya ko kaya ito? Oh my gosh. Ang dami, see? See? Ang dami. Ayan. Too much. Ayan. Wow. How yan? How to show. Ayan. See? That one. See? Ayan. Ayan. See? That is the, see? Oh my gosh. So, I want to make it 4 minutes. So, my sister give me this water. Ayan. She is understanding and she love to make me this challenge. Ayan. See? This is the water. Okay. You can make TCG tell me 4 minutes in 4 chips. TCG, I don't know if I can, but I will try. 4 minutes. Ayan. I think, where is the timer? Saan din maganda makita ang timer? Ang aso mo, nagaan mo. Ang aso mo. Where is the timer? Here. Hindi. Sabi na.
Time.
Di ano man to? Calendar man to. Son?
The timer ti
Wala mo ko yung timer. Sandali.
Mag-timer ko mo.
Ha? O sa naligad ng ano ko timer?
Ala da.
Oh my goodness. Ayan, sandali. Pila na ka oras? How many minutes na? How many hours and how many nights? Ayan. Saan na yung camera? Ayan. I will make time 4 minutes. Okay. Start. If this is for you. Diba? Yep, this is for you. Maubos ko ito. Mm. Mm. Birthday. Maubos kaya ito sa 4 minutes lang. Hindi ko nakain dahil. Wala. I want to vomit. Tip, this is for you, tip. Yep. Cheese. Piatos. This one is bigat. Ayan. That's it only. Maybe one, only for 1 minute. One is per minute. Wah. End na. Very end. That's it, Tim. Ayan, tapos na. Hindi ko na ubos, tip. TCG. Only one I can make. Only one I think. So, but I do the challenge. You know, my stomach is small, tip. Ayan. Thank you so much for inviting me for this challenge. Ayan. Ayan, you hear? It was ended. So, I cannot finish. Ayan. Thank you so much, Tip, for inviting me for this challenge. Ayan. Maybe you, who want to do this one, you can do and hashtag TCG Pam. Ayan. This is the challenge. This is very easy challenge. In 4 minutes, 4 chips. Ayan. I use this bika, this potato, this cheesy, and this piatos. Ayan. So, you can do your challenge also. Ayan. And then, thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy my challenge. This is for TCG Pam. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.